like a Hellcat.
Welcome to Cumbias Customs. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the lock on a Ford Explorer that won't open or close with the key or with the key fob. It doesn't open or close with the key or the key fob, it just opens by hand from the inside. We'll start by taking the door panel off and the two screws, two in the middle and two in the bottom. With a little bit of force, you'll take the panel off, but be careful to not break any of the clips. Disconnect the wires from the buttons. Put the door panel protector, the one that's made of plastic, to the side. Once we check, we can notice that the spring that's inside that holds the mechanism is missing. You can find the spring inside of the door jamb where the mechanism is. You can pull it out slowly to make sure you take it out, and this will help the door close. By taking off the screw, you can make more space by taking off the window rails. I got a similar spring that looks very much like the original. Connect the spring from the key mounting plate into this yellow plastic tab. The spring is what's going to make the lock go up and down. On our truck, the motor that controls the locking system is losing power, so we're going to hang it with this string to help it lose some of the weight. checks that everything works how you want it. Put the window rails back in its place and put the panel back in its place. And check again that everything works. I hope this video was of great help. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That helps me make more videos like this one. Thank you.